Hi, my name is Prakram Gill. I am from the technology background. I work with an organization which is into machine learning and AI called Scry AI. Basically, we are looking at IoT data, sensors, image processing, and look at kind of collaborating with DJI for these future use cases. So what we are trying to do is, I'll take an example of how this drone can be deployed as an example in a solar farm. We want to look at it to understand the health of the solar panels. So that's a brilliant use case because it's obviously reducing the manual labor. It's reducing the number of times a person has to go and do physical visits. And we add value on top of it in terms of we basically work with IoT sensor data. We do image processing and computer vision. So the data that is coming in from these drones and from the sensors, and including, say, the weather patterns, we analyze all of this to predict if there is some maintenance required on the solar panels, or if there is something wrong with the solar panels at this point in time in real time. This helps the customer to plan their maintenance schedules, to understand what is going wrong, and it delivers significant ROI benefits to them.